against any forces trying to divide India and states, including Manipur, in the name of religion, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Steps have been taken to utilize empty fields after harvest, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Mr. O. Ibobi extols the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Indira Gandhi in India's unification and integration. Hello and a very good evening. You're watching the MAMI TV English News Bulletin. I'm ALBINA. Chief Minister N. Biren has stated that it is time to fight against any force trying to divide the country and states, including Manipur, in the name of religion. The Chief Minister was speaking at the observance of 147th birth anniversary of the Unifier of India, also known as Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas at 1st MR Parade Ground today. Cabinet ministers, MLAs and top civil and police officials of the state attended the observance. A march past of 9 contingents with Deputy Commandant of 2nd Manipur Rifle and Suraj as the parade commander also marked the occasion. Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that the Prime Minister's remark that there is terrorism linked to guns and that link to the pen should not be taken lightly. He recounted that there have been attempts to divide and disintegrate the country with funding from other countries in the name of running the NGOs and civil societies in the past. Actions had been taken against such groups and had been banned, stressing that intrusion by other nations in countries' internal matter depends on the strength of the internal security. He expressed the need to take a state's internal security importantly. Earlier, reinforcements of army were sent to Northeast region and the state whenever an uprising or chaotic situation occurred in the region. However, efforts have been made to resolve such matters by sending the concerned ministers and officials ever since BJP came to power, the Chief Minister said. Laying emphasis on the role of every state in protecting the unity and integrity of India, Chief Minister N. Biren urged that the people to refrain from community-based politics, reminding that development and progress of just a particular community will not lead to development of the state inhabited by different communities. He appealed to the people to shun selfish thoughts and contribute towards nation building.
Khulai pairaga nationalite tauriba lal horiba terrorist si kangbu nataba kolom pairaga leiba kangbu terrorist yauri section lo mase we should be very careful. We should be masi kari dagi taurai no hai bakanda intellectual circle ni har kanda civil organization ni har kanda NGO ni har kanda international gi funding lorga human right ki mingda India bu destabilize tawna ba Manipur bu destabilize tawna ba ki port manung hudna honorable prime minister we amagi dharma gi mingda ladik tambi ba gi mingda chawkhat ba gi mingda kak torkanda India sibu mapangan solan na bahone aduna lamdam sigi silinau sing karing ma pen da ba kari dagi mapanda chatlaga khulai pairaga leibigi ba sing homecoming lapiyo hujikte khoi ama toina punsin ma matam yore single bullet ama kapoi single FIR ama chaloi aduna punna hingminda ba tamse punna chawkhan minna ba hona minase jati amaga khoi respect tong minase amana amabu namthaba amana amu dominant tongna ba gi wakholo ni khoi mind gi lokthokse.
Chief Minister N. Biren has said the government has taken up steps to utilize empty fields after harvest by initiating double cropping. A subcommittee for farmers will be formed soon in this regard along with a toll-free number, he said. He said this during the distribution of farming equipment to the farmers under Submission on Agricultural Mechanization SMAM at City Convention at Palace Compound today. The distribution was organized by Agriculture Department. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren said, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat is gaining momentum. It must also reach the people of Manipur. The state government is taking up steps to make all the agricultural activities a success, he said, adding that the farmers will no longer face the problem of selling rice, he said. The state government will buy them. Acknowledging the contribution of farmers in the country's development, he appealed to the farmers not to be dependent on artificial fertilizers for farming. He further encouraged the use of natural fertilizers and rainwater. Chief Minister Biren appealed to the younger generation to adopt the farming methods used by forefathers in the olden days.
Low head Loknava Loibaga, Equi Labuk Mayam, Hanga Tambase, Hangal Lagumse, Handaki Sahisi, Hangis Marum Carigino and Mayam Havakan, Ishing like the way Aduna, Akoi Shiki Democrat special committee, IFCD ne, minor irrigation ne, agriculture ne, horticulture ne, Shigi Apunba subcommittee Makoi, Shamani, subcommittee Shamagaloina Koi, Shiki Democrat, Aigizaga say, Ishing Huningi. Groundwaters or Agi Zagase, Pukriama, Nataka Kenil, Masamas Micropolisi, Ising Low Way, Haibugi Madugi information collection Tonaba, Loina Madugi Darkar, Neighbor Marumara, Mayana Pam Poto, market Kari demandly, Baraki, Lady State Manum, the Kari Pony Henrik Pami, Maduda Kari Tatopoya, Huji Equator Kari, market Kari demandly, Kari the Lake Gaisi, calculate Torkanda, toll free number center Makoi. Operator Kani, committee Mahangani. I coina Makal Mariki demonstration Toba, machine record when at Hamova, Madudi Carino, Habamatam, natural farming sea, and this I see Navagilo, Amamokra demonstration Toba, every district. Adu Anish Wadana, organic, Hybidi, Barmi Composi, OBI, Amar OBI, Adu Sinarkanda Law, Ubagi demonstration Matoba, Utilizer, Hariba, Uriasi, Sinabagi Mohutanano, Zina, Sinar Haraga, Ubagi, Aquilo, give demonstration Ama, Aduga, I could fertilizers, Hapaganda, Ubagi. Do Marichi Tore Harkanda, Madugi Chato, Karisu, Fajana practically, Yanganaba Haiduna, Kuningasi, Taujanaba, Agriculture Department, Sam Sadana Lady, Kanaguma, Farmers in groups in FE or FE, Sigi Labor, members in Pambibo, Lerga Department, Director Kanda Piena, demonstrative Monda, Tamunaba, Appeal to Amiam, the Tamzabani.
Former Chief Minister of Manipur, Okram Ibobi, has extolled the role of former Deputy Prime Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in integration and unification of India as significant. Member of AICC Steering Committee, Gaikangam, office bearers of the party, attended the observance. Speaking further, Okram Ibobi expressed the need to remind the people of the significant role of the two leaders in India's freedom struggle and in unification and integration of India, recounting that Indira Gandhi was a leader who fought bravely against any force that tried to divide India. He said that she was assassinated by her own bodyguard after a military operation she ordered to stop Sikh followers from forming their own Khalistan. Ibobi further expressed the need for every Congress worker to follow the footsteps of the two leaders.
Mahakna Laringai Batamda, Bharat Sininka, Tamnava, Honaba, Loviramba, Bharat Apunba, Saktam, Naknava, Honavada, Mahakna Loviramba, Todang Singadu, Quaining Singduna, Magi Sam, Riputer, Shuba, Bart and Richie, Quay Function, Pangtok 70.
Meanwhile, member of AICC Steering Committee Gaikangam has said the full impact of Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra will be visible at the Lok Sabha election 2024. Addressing the media, Gaikangam said the Bharat Jodo Yatra by Rahul Gandhi is not for personal gain or to get people's sympathy. It is a movement to take the country into a new direction and to get freedom from unconstitutional activities, injustices and oppressed lives. It is a non-violence movement to achieve India's second freedom by freeing the people from violation of democracy and oppression. Gaikangam expressed confidence that support from other political parties and people will guarantee as a new change in the Lok Sabha election 2024.
India Anisha Ningtam Puranava, a home Puranava. India is Amatani, Masitugai, social and religious divide Toribase, Masitokadabani, Haibagi Sologana, Loyana, Anoba Afoba, Hail Chesanba, Adugamba, India, William, Saliva, Concert, Messina, Soydana, a so impact Amapiracani, a home of Piracani, Hazay.
Churachandpur District Congress Committee also observed the 147th birth anniversary of Congress leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the 38th death anniversary of India's former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in Churachandpur District. The observance was held at its office on Red Cross Road in Churachandpur District under the supervision of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC). President of MPCC K. Megachandra, former Minister T. Manga Baifei, and leaders of Congress Party attended the observance. Speaking on the occasion, President of Party Megachandra said both the leaders played a major role in building a unified India and bringing development. The country stands united because of their hard work. Hence, today's generation must always remember their contribution, Megachandra said.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ki ngasi birth anniversary pangthokjari loinana mahaki sumba thona phaba amadi kathokpa India ki akanba unity sagalamba adigumba misakama oibasina mahagasi Bharat ki Iron Man of India haina khanadana yamna aphaba mapari ama oina hoi Bharat sinba thungna pahtoi loinana Bharat ki Prime Minister oibirambi Srimati Indira Gandhi Mahaki death anniversary si mating leba mathongna leba nupi laktagi ebaki demakta yam kathokpa amasung yamna thongna phaba Prime Minister amani.
As part of the event, all the attendees paid floral tribute to the portraits of the Congress leaders and took pledge to safeguard the unity of India. District Administration Thoubal and NYK Thoubal jointly observed the National Unity Day today at DC Thoubal Complex to commemorate the 147th birth anniversary of independent India, first Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. DC Thoubal Ahantem Subhas Flag-off Run for Unity from Thoubal Wangmataba to DC office, jointly organized by NYK Thoubal, NSS Unit of Wycombe Mani Girls College, Thoubal College, JDO John 3 Thoubal, and District Administration Thoubal. Students form human chain in front of DC office gate along the Asian Highway number 1 to strengthen state's unity. Later, DC Thoubal, Ahantem Subhas and SB Thoubal Jogesh Chandra Haubizam led in paying floral tribute to the portrait of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Speaking on the occasion, Subhas said the observance was organized with an objective to follow Patel's ideology to unite the country.
Nasi ki palan nasi ki saruk ama oina chhatra sing civil societies ki member mayam puchalaga koi unity ran ama changer rahe koi Thoubal Wangmatabadagi DC office complex paba aduga koi DC office complex manung sida Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ki murti da lai sukatana koi na saradari kachari adu loina loina na koi mioi lising mungna tilaga koi ki human chain ama su chemja baga loina na Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel na pibiramba Bharat ki unity koi punsan daba yade koi security laina koi pulap amata oina laitaba yade haibagi wakhallon ki message to ai koi punamak so amukka na district administration ki side gi pizari.
State legislators, including Chief Minister Anne Biren and political parties, extended greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Kuki Chin Mizo brethren, on the occasion of Savang Kut. Chief Minister Anne Biren, in his message of greeting, said Kut marks the end of the harvesting season and is celebrated to offer thanksgiving to the Almighty for a bountiful harvest. It is a festival where the young and old, men and women, all join in traditional dances, songs and festivities. The spirit of Savang Kut is about sharing, gratitude and harmonious coexistence, he said, appealing to the people from all communities to join and help in spreading the message of unity and peace on the occasion. The Chief Minister wished everyone a prosperous and happy Savang Kut.
Kuki Mizo Ichilinauk Singki Amatangarba Kumai Kut Festival na lakpada ay Manipur gi miyam da maroina Kuki Sin Mizo Ichilinauk Singki mafam da yafa paujal pijari lamdam masida mehoron dagi leminarakaba ekoi Ichilinauk Singki marakta aphaba nungsi sanaba henkalakpa anayek awana aswayangam leitana changfana na da yekna leiba ngamanbiu haidna I ishorni mafamda thaunijari loinana mehoron dagi leminarakaba Ichilinauk ekoi masel gi marakta nungsi sanaba henkat hanbiba ohenbiu haidna su ai ishor magi mafamda nijari.
Education Minister T.H. Basanta Kumar has also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Kut Festival, which falls on November 1. In his message, the minister said the festival is celebrated by the Kuki Chin Mizo tribes of Manipur to honor the blessings of the deity for a good harvest every year. It marks the happy occasion of reaping bountiful harvest and plentiful food stock after a year of hard labor. It reflects joy and happiness and shows gratitude to the Almighty by offering songs and dances. Minister Basanta Kumar further wished that the festival spreads a message of love, peace, prosperity and communal harmony among all the different communities of Manipur. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC, Kaisam Megachandra, also extended greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Kuki Breton, on the occasion of Good Festival. In his message of greetings, MLA Megachandra wished that the festival, which celebrated to honor the blessings of the deity for a good harvest every year, brings love, peace, prosperity and harmony among all the communities coexisting in the state. A fast-track court for crime against women Manipur, chaired by Additional Session Judge Monalisa Maibam, convicted Usam Robin, age 48, son of Nabachandra of Tauthong Ayungba, for the rape of a minor in August 2001. The court has fixed sentence a hearing on November 9 to announce quantum of punishment against the convict. After the announcement of the judgment order, the convict was handed over to the police and has been remanded into judicial custody at Saziwa, Manipur Central Jail. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 kilometers away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commencement open for 2023 and 24 session.
Dr. Helena. Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Gujarat, will visit the Morbi city tomorrow, where at least 141 people have died after a British-era bridge collapsed last evening. Around 500 people, including women and children, were on the suspension bridge when the cable supporting it snapped, sending people crashing into the river below. Many were performing Chhat Puja rituals on a 150-year-old bridge in Morbi. Earlier today, the Prime Minister said that the centre is extending all help to the state. The bridge over Machu River in Morbi had been shut for 7 months for repairs. It was reopened to the public on October 26. The Gujarati New Year without a fitness certificate from the civic authorities. Gujarat Home Minister Harsh Sanghavi said this morning that a criminal case has been registered and a 5-member high-powered committee is probing the bridge collapse. The state government has announced a compensation of 4 lakh to the family members of each of those who died in the accident and rupees 50,000 for the injured. The Prime Minister also announced a financial assistance of rupees 2 lakh each to the families of the victims. Meanwhile, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has expressed grief over the loss of lives in the Morbi bridge collapse in Gujarat and demanded an inquiry into the circumstances that led to the collapse. Kharge asserted that an inquiry headed by a retired Supreme Court or High Court judge should be done as to how the bridge collapsed days after it was inaugurated and who allowed so many people there, adding that all necessary help, including compensation, should be provided to victims. Kharge, who took charge of the Congress party last week, said that leaders from his party will be reaching Morbi and will offer their assistance. The Congress today paid tributes to former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on her death anniversary, with Rahul Gandhi saying he is carrying her love and values in his heart and will not allow India, for which she sacrificed her life, to fall apart. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, former party chief Sonia Gandhi and other senior party leaders offered floral tributes to Indira Gandhi at her Shakti Sthal Memorial. Kharge also offered floral tribute to Indira Gandhi at the AICC headquarters. In a tweet, Rahul Gandhi said he is carrying both her love and values in his heart, adding that he will not allow India, for which she has sacrificed her life, to fall apart. Meanwhile, in a post from its official Twitter handle, the Congress said that from a liberation of Bangladesh to ushering in of the Green Revolution, Indira Gandhi led the nation through its highs and lows, and they salute her unyielding resilience and unwavering vision for the nation's development. It may be mentioned that Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister, was assassinated on this day in 1984 by 2 of her own security guards. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today said his government is considering withdrawing APSPA from 2 more locations in the state. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 APSPA was extended for 6 months from October 1 to be the continuation of the disturbed area. The government had withdrawn the controversial law from West Karbi Anglong district as the situation considerably improved there. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 empowers security forces to conduct operations and arrest anyone without any prior warrant, besides giving immunity from arrest and prosecution to the security forces if they shoot someone dead. Sarma said that peace has returned to Assam and Northeast, and APSPA is withdrawn from 65% areas of the state, adding that in the future they are considering to withdraw it from Lakhipur of Kasar and the entire Karbi Anglong district. Following the withdrawal of 2 more areas from the ambit of the APSPA, only 6 districts in Upper Assam will remain under the law's purview, he added. Speaking at a function to offer financial support to surrendered militants for their rehabilitation, Sarma stated that the disturbed area tagged under the APSPA has also been removed from different areas of Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Manipur. Ukraine said that they were targeted by more than 50 cruise missiles from Russia today morning, resulting in power cuts across several regions. The Ukrainian army claimed that from 7 a.m. today, Russian occupiers carried out several waves of missile attacks against critical infrastructure in Ukraine, adding that more than 50 into 101 X-555 cruise missiles were launched from Russia. Before we end the bulletin, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Time to fight against any forces trying to divide India and state, including Manipur, in name of religion, says Chief Minister RIAMEI. Steps being taken to utilize empty fields after harvest, says Chief Minister RIAMEI. Former Chief Minister Ibobi extols the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Indira Gandhi in India's unification and integration. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. Have a great evening ahead.
Dr. Helena Optometric College North AOC Imphal के academic session 2022-23 के admission हौजरे program offer Bachelor of Optometry specialties दा matik charva infrastructure गलोइनना secure campus spacious classroom amadi well maintained library meritorious students singi special fee concession amadi scholarship well qualified dedicated amadi experience leiraba oza singna takpi tambigani nupa macha amadi nupi macha gi secure amadi separate hostel Dr. Helena Eye Hospital and Institute Daily training की खुदों चाबसु लेगनी लोइनना course असी हेक लोइबका India अमदी अवॉर्डा चाद चामा job placement लेगनी अकुपा मरोल की दमक 97740655